Hello, this is Heather. I'm a therapist here at the St. John Clark Pain Treatment Center, and today we're going to be talking about our breath. What we see a lot in our practice is when we have somebody on the table on their back and we ask them to take a deep breath, their rib cage stays completely static, and we see this happen. So their shoulders elevate, and you see a lot of tightness and tension around the neck. And of course, a lot of these people end up having neck trouble, tightness in the muscles up here on the front of the neck and on the sides of the neck. And breathing with these are called the accessory muscles of respiration. That's okay in certain circumstances. So if you are enduring heavy physical activity like running or climbing or something that takes a lot of oxygen for the body, you need to be able to use those muscles to give you even more room for your lungs to expand and obtain more air. But when we are just laying on a massage table or sitting at our desks at work, we really want to be using our main muscle of respiration more than that, which is the diaphragm. Your diaphragm sits up inside of your rib cage, and when you inhale, it descends, and then when you exhale, it retracts back up into your rib cage. So your lower few ribs should expand out, the diaphragm expands or descends into the abdomen, and your ribs expand out. So you should have an expansion going on down here when you take a deep breath in, when you're not in a state of physical exertion. So there's a couple different ways you can start to train yourself to breathe this way. One way is by using a TheraBand, or you can actually use like pantyhose or something like that, just something that's stretchy. And what you're gonna do is tie this around your rib cage and just cross that in front, and then just pull it so you have a little bit of tension. And this provides a little tactile cue to your rib cage so your brain understands where you want your body to move. So we're going to take a deep breath in, and we're going to try to stretch our ribs into this band. So if you are a person that breathes more from using more of the accessory muscles or respiration, your rib cage won't be moving at all. Instead, it'll be like, so you see that chest kind of and shoulder heaving kind of thing. So we're trying to keep tension and tightness out of this area and expand it more in the rib cage. So if you have a TheraBand, if you have a pair of pantyhose, anything that's a little bit stretchy, you can tie that around your rib cage, and that will give you a little bit of an external cue to help you understand where it is more beneficial in your body to be breathing when you're at a state of rest. And in the next video, I will show you another cue that you can use to help yourself breathe better at rest. Thanks, bye.